Your yard and garden is a biodiverse system. There are various biologically active agents working tirelessly in it. These creatures are most diverse group on the earth. They play important roles as pollinators, decomposers, or even as the sources of food for other animals. So I, Pallavi Divekar, welcome you all to the season 5 of the Plants Education series, episode 3rd, Interesting Facts About the Creatures in Your Gardens. So here we go. The first one in our list is butterflies. Most beautiful insects we find in our garden. They are famous for their brightly colored wings made up of tiny scales. They fly from flower to flower, but they don't fly in a straight line. We call it fluttering. They have taste receptors on their feet and they feed on nectar in the flower. Moths. Moths may look similar to the butterflies, but are really different. They have dull colors and are smaller in size than the butterflies. Moths, unlike butterflies, are usually active during the night. Moth antennae are usually feathery, while butterfly antennae are straight. So now you shouldn't be having any confusion between the moths and the butterflies. Caterpillars. Caterpillars are not actual insects. It's the life stage of certain insects like butterflies and moths. These start as eggs and then hatch into caterpillars. Then they get bigger and shed their skin. Bees. Bees are the most common insects found in our garden or yards. There are numerous other bees found in your garden too, other than the honeybees. Praying mantis. Praying mantis feed on other insects. They can also eat spiders, lizards, frog, and small birds. They can turn their head 180 degree. We human can turn our head only 90 degrees. They get their name because they are often seen holding their legs together as if praying. Ants. Ants live in colonies. They live in the ant hills made by the worker ants. Underground, the hill has many complicated tunnels. Worker ants bring food to the colony. Soldier ants guard the colony. A colony can contain up to millions of ants, and ants can lift up to 20 times their body weight. Isn't it awesome? Fireflies. They are actually beetles. They are often identified at the night by their ability to grow. Even the eggs of fireflies glow. They blink to attract males. They may also glow to warn others of other predators too. They glow by a chemical reaction produced inside them. The next common insect that is found in your gardens is crickets. They can often be heard at the night time. Only male crickets chirp and this helps them to attract mates. They chirp by rubbing their wings together. The intensity of their chirping depends on the temperature. The warmer, the louder, and they are omnivorous also. We may often confuse grasshoppers with the crickets. Crickets walk or crawl, and grasshoppers they hop. Also, grasshoppers make the sound by rubbing their feet and not the wings. Next one is mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes suck blood, leaving you with very itchy bite. Only female mosquitoes suck the blood, while male feed on the nectar juices from the plants. When we say they bite, they actually dig. They puncture your skin through the long funnel shaped tube and then suck the blood. Flies are also commonly found in your garden. There are different kinds of flies too. The most common is the housefly. Beetles. Amongst insects, beetles are mostly found insect. Some glow in the dark, some can carry bubble of air under the wings, or some carry extensively larger weights. Some are harmless, while some can sting you. The beetle armor, that is the covering, is one of the toughest material found on the earth. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are commonly found. They live for weeks without their heads and can survive for months without the food. They can crawl speedily and can show cannibalistic tendencies too. They can be trained similar to Pavlov's dogs. Next one is centipedes. Centipedes have surprising number of legs. Some have very powerful venom. Though centi means 100 and pede means legs, not all centipedes have 100 legs. Different species have different numbers from 15 to 111 pairs. They can regrow the legs. Centipede moms protect their eggs and the young ones. The next commonly found creature in your garden is the earthworms. They eat the soil and secrete worm castings. They possess both male and female reproductive organs in the same earthworm. They breathe through their skin. They don't have teeth. They lack eyes and ears, but they can sense light, vibrations, chemicals through their skin. And they have 5 hearts. Nature is really awesome. The next one is snails. They have no backbone and they are herbivores. They eat the plants and algae. They are nocturnal. Snails have ribbon-like tongue with thousands of tiny teeth called radula. They carry their own shell for protection. They are older than dinosaurs. Can you believe it? The next one in our list is spiders. They spin silk webs which are incredibly strong. Spiders have 8 eyes. Some spiders can see colors while others cannot. And spiders have blue blood. Were you knowing this? Termites. Termites are often mistaken for white ants. They also live in colonies. They are decomposers. They do not sleep. They work 24/7, building, maintaining the colonies. Termite queen live for decades. They communicate through vibrations. They eat wood and rely on microorganisms in their gut to digest it. They keep their colonies clean. Termites are not found in Arctic and Antarctic circles. Worker termites are blind. Aphids. Aphids suck the sap and can reproduce without mating. Aphids come in various colors and some have wings where others are simply wingless. The next and the last one in our list is earwigs. They can eat insects and decaying matter. They do not crawl into the ears or lay eggs in the brain despite their name. They are known to nurture their young ones. They emit foul smell when disturbed or crushed. They are nocturnal.